falls, the Bastion Point we take our flight. Over tranquil waters, calm and wide, on a winter's evening, pure delight.
The king tide's grace reveals a sight, a dual mouth in Mallacoota gate. A sandbar rests, a natural line. In the heart of the sunset, we find our fate. Twilight at Bastion Point, where the sky meets the sea. In the glow of the setting sun, we find tranquility. Overcast skies, the canvas gray, with hues of red as the day fades. Calm waters mirror the twilight's glow in this serene, surreal show. No wind to stir, the surf rolls in from the east, a gentle hymn. Nature's rhythm ever slow as we drift in twilight's flow. Twilight at Bastion Point, where the sky meets the sea. In the glow of the setting sun, we find tranquility. Turning north, the ranges rise. Howe's majesty meets our eyes. A lighthouse flash from Gable's eye guides us through the growing twilight. Light shimmer at the boat ramp's edge. High tide laps, an unusual pledge. Cars' headlights add a fleeting gleam in the darkening scene, a living dream. Twilight at Bastion Point, where the sky meets the sea. In the glow of the setting sun, we find tranquility. Turning north, the ranges rise. Howe's majesty meets our eyes. A lighthouse flash from Gable's eye guides us through the growing twilight. As the sun dips below the line, how those deepening stars align. Back to the car park, the journey ends. In Mallacouta's embrace, we transcend